Hi, I'm Nova. Have you ever wondered what powers ChatGPT? The answer is something called an LLM, a large language model. An LLM doesn't think like a human. Instead, it predicts the most likely next word based on everything it has learned. Imagine a gigantic digital brain trained on billions of books, websites, conversations, and documents. That's exactly what an LLM is. That's why an LLM can answer questions, explain ideas, write code, translate languages, and even help create amazing content. Every time you chat with an AI assistant, ask a question, generate ideas, or solve a problem, there's an LLM working behind the scenes to understand and respond intelligently. Now you know what an LLM really is, the powerful technology behind modern AI conversations. I'm Nova, and this is AI Horizon. Follow us to master AI 1 minute at a time.